Now then, welcome to my latest film on this channel. We're in Paphos in Cyprus and we're about to go around their UNESCO World Heritage Site complete with mosaics. Well, I've made it into the park, €4.50 the cost to get in here. Slightly sheltering because of the wind, but let's go and have a look at the first of the ruins around here. Well, I haven't been able to talk too much on this tour because of the wind, and I don't think you'd actually hear me too well, but the white building you just saw, that's where we're going to end up. That's where I think the best of the mosaics, I understand, are, so we'll be going there towards the end of this tour. But we're going to head up towards the lighthouse for now and have a look up there. I've just walked up that little hill. Great view up to the north of the coast from here. So as you can see ahead of me, very nice smooth path, but I think if you're looking for wheelchair access or looking to bring a buggy with some kids, there's certainly some parts of this area, this archaeological park, that I think you'll really struggle to get to. So we've been around most of the park, just got the mosaics. I left them to last because I figured they might be the highlight to go and see. So the good news is that, as you saw, the mosaics on the whole were accessible for wheelchairs and for prams, which is great because I thought they were fantastic and really worth the entrance fee on their own. So that's pretty much it for this film. The next one will be going around the harbour just outside of the walls here of Paphos to give you a feel for the more modern side, with a little bit of history thrown in, of this area.